Attention Shopify trade owners seeking a game-changing template for your online store. The Pullza Shopify 2023 template is your ultimate solution. With its cutting-edge design and functionality, this template is tailored to meet your needs. Discover the power of 3 distinct price table sections that will elevate your product showcasing game to new heights. What sets the Pullza template apart is its unparalleled ease of use, making it a dream come true for beginners. Changing colors and content within the price tables is a breeze, thanks to an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. No coding skills required. Simply personalize your price tables to match your brand's identity effortlessly. For those unfamiliar with website customization, worry not. The Pullza Shopify 2023 template comes equipped with comprehensive guides and tutorials. This means that even if you're a novice, you can masterfully customize your price tables with confidence, creating a seamless and professional look. But wait, there's more. With 50 pre-designed sections for items and products, the Pullza template revolutionizes your store's appearance. Transform your store into a professional masterpiece without the hassle of starting from scratch. These easy-to-use templates empower you to achieve a polished and captivating online shopping experience. As an added bonus, the Pullza template is primed for the Arabic language. With a single click, you can activate the RTL, right-to-left feature, ensuring a flawless and culturally relevant experience for your Arabic-speaking customers. Incorporate innovation, user-friendliness, and aesthetic excellence into your Shopify store with the Pullza Shopify 2023 template. Elevate your online presence, captivate your audience, and effortlessly tailor your price tables, all while enjoying the convenience of ready-made templates designed to make your store super professional.